Here they are, folks, the new Polk motorcycle speakers. These are 100 watts RMS each speaker, 300 watts max. They sound real good. I got 100 watts going into them right now. Here we go. They're waterproof, durable. They take all this 100 watts. You want to use at least 100 watts, 75 to 100 watt amplifier. On my motorcycle, I run a 100 watt per channel Kenwood amp, and it's got great power. I can hear it over my cycle doing 70, 80 mile an hour. So if you want a good set of speakers, these are $199 on eBay. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.